Dance, beautiful people. Hello, y'all. Hello, good morning. Okay, guys, this is my morning routine. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to take care of your natural girl kinky hair, okay, in the morning. And literally, it doesn't take long. It's little minimal effort. It's very easy, okay, very easy, okay. So, this is going to be two parts to this video, okay? Obviously, it's going to be, this is morning, before I put on my makeup, before I get dressed, actually. And then I'll come back after I get dressed and my face done, and then I'll do the hair. But before that, I just want to show you guys what's under this cap. I'm sure you want to know. So, this is my bonnet, of course. You all have one. We all have one. We all sleep with that. So I have my bonnet on, but very important, okay, important key is this is to protect my edges, okay? When you have your kinky friend on, your natural girl kinky wig on, the most important thing is to protect the edges as you sleep, okay? So you have to put something on, because learn from my error, because I find that if I just put on my bonnet, okay, it does not lay down my edges, okay? And this is what you need to protect at all time, your edges, because that's what people see, and that's what can make or break your wig. Get it? So even though you have your bonnet on, whatever you use as a bonnet to cover your hair, make sure you also have something for the edges, okay? So I use this to lay down my edge. There are a variety of things you could use, okay, but this is just what I use. I put it on very loosely, okay? Ooh, now it's kind of coming off. Stay put. All right. Of course, it's coming off now, right? But I just want to show you what I do. Okay, you see? And then I just put it like right here. You see the edges like right there? I just put it right here. And then I put on my bonnet. Okay. And then I go to sleep. Another variation is you could also wear something like that. I got this at a wig dealer, and that's also where I get my melting spray. You see, you could also do that. Actually, I wear this when I'm doing my makeup and when I'm washing my hair, okay? This I wear like when I'm washing my hair, because you don't want your edges to get wet, because that's where the glue is, okay? So when I'm washing my hair, I put this on, and when I'm doing my makeup, I leave that on also. And then after I'm done with my makeup, I kind of blend it all in, okay? But see, my edges in the morning, it just all over the place. You see, it's not done, it's not defined. So we're gonna go through that whole process, okay? You see? I'm gonna try my best, y'all. I don't know how this video is gonna turn out, but we'll see. I'm gonna try my best. And I just wanna show you the hair, how it looks like in the morning. Okay, see? You see? That's the hair in the morning. Okay. Let me show you. You see this part? You see the back? This part right here. You could tighten it up, okay? You could tighten it up. I have to be honest, I like the other wig, like not the Emperor. The other wig has my other natural hair girl wig has a back portion that's a lot more manageable. This one, it's a bit tricky to tighten up. Okay, let me show you. It just requires more work to tighten it up, but let me do that. Let me tighten it up for you guys so you guys could see. Bear with me, y'all. How you guys doing? Are you guys enjoying my wig videos? Comment, share. Let me know your experience with kinky hair versus regular hair versus regular wig. Yeah, like this one doesn't stay that much. Let me show you what I mean. You see, can you see that? So this is supposed to tighten it, okay? But it doesn't really stay in place. See, look. You tighten it, and then look, you see? And the other wig that I have, the one that's not amber, my other regular kinky girl wig, that piece, you could really, it stays on. It's different. But nonetheless, y'all, nobody's gonna look at the back. The back don't really matter. It still holds, but not tightly. So that's why you have to make sure you do a good job at, you know, keeping the edges laid down, okay? So yes, so come back. I'm going to go now. Stay tuned, okay? I'm going to go now to get dressed, and I'm gonna do my makeup on. I'm gonna put my makeup, and then I'll come back to show you guys how I'm going to manage the front, okay? What I'm gonna do. All right, stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful people, here we are. Okay, we are here. As you can see, I did my makeup, and I also am dressed. I'm actually about to go to the beach. So as I told you, while I'm doing my makeup, I leave this on, okay? And that's why you see this part right here. But it's very easy. We're just going to hold down and just blend it throughout, okay? Blend it. You see? You just blend it. Okay. There. I need to hurry up because I'm actually running late. All right. But I promise you guys, being an influencer, being a YouTuber is just, I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Let me look in the mirror. What's making sure that I go. And this is my alcohol wipes, okay? You just kind of do that in the front, because in the morning, okay. And then with my with my comb, okay, comb it. And then with my brush, I brush it. Okay. I usually have a little smaller brush, but I don't have that for now, but that's okay. You just brush it, okay? See? And like I said, with this here, what was that white stuff? I did not really want much baby hair. And I'm just doing this just to wake up the hair, you know, just kind of wake up the hair. Wake up the hair. Wake up the hair. Okay. So just bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. Bear with me. She's in a hurry. She's in a hurry. I'm just trying to figure out what to do. Okay. I gotta hurry up. I gotta hurry up. She gotta hurry up. I feel like I'm whispering, but that's because my significant other is waiting for me and I don't want him to know that I'm making a video. He's waiting for me, y'all. And I don't want him to know I'm making a video. So shh, keep this between you and I, okay? I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, Dawn, you're going to the beach, so why do your hair? Well, before the beach, we're going to eat first. Okay, I'm going out to eat first and then the beach. Okay? So, you know, your girl gotta look presentable. I cannot just go to the restaurant looking like I'm going to the beach. You know, I gotta do my hair. And this is just a quick, okay. Now, see, now I could kind of go out like that, but I wanted to do something a little bit different today. A little bit different. And sorry guys if I'm not looking straight into the mirror, into the camera, because I need to see what I'm doing. Okay. All right. Okay, y'all. So, do you see what I'm doing? And where's my little clip? Okay. I'm trying to hurry up, y'all. I am trying to hurry up. I am trying to do this for y'all. I'm doing this for y'all. Okay? So I think it's really boring when people have wigs on and they just keep on doing their hair one way. Be versatile, okay? Be versatile regarding how you do your hair. Okay? You hold it down. And then you kind of do this. Okay? Busy!
No! That, please!
Sorry about that, guys. That was my son. But yeah, you see, this is how I'm decided to do it. All right. Okay. Here's the back. See? And that's it. Just a little playful, playful way of doing your hair. Let me know your thoughts. All right, I gotta go, I gotta run. But yeah. Okay. All right, y'all. See you. Follow me on Instagram, y'all. Follow me on Instagram. I think I'm gonna post a picture of me at the beach. Okay, Instagram DunsBeautifulpeople. All right. So we'll see. You see how simple that was? Very simple, very easy. I'm telling you, this natural hair is the bomb. Okay. Look, my edges looks the same. Kind of blends in. Blends in. See? Blends in. See? What wig? Tell me, what wig, huh? Look at this. This looks like it's my hair. What? Okay. All right, y'all. Love you, but I gotta run. As always, please follow me, subscribe. Let me know what other kind of videos you want me to make regarding the hair. As always, I love you with the love of Jesus Christ. Duns, beautiful people. See you.